Let's get started! First, we will be mixing our dry ingredients. First, we will be needing flour. So, 1 cup, 2 cups. Next, we will be doing apple pie spice. To make apple pie spice, you need to mix together 4 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon ground cardamom. Next we need is 1 teaspoon cinnamon, but this is a 1/2, so we're gonna need 2 of them. 1/2 teaspoon plus 1/2 teaspoon equals 1 teaspoon. This is baking powder. We're going to need 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. I have a 1/4 teaspoon. We're gonna need to add 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. And 1 more to add. Next, we will be needing 1 teaspoon baking soda, and this is a 1 teaspoon. So we're just gonna need to put 1 of these in. We're gonna take this right here, scoop it up, use the side to flatten it. Next, we will be needing 1/4 teaspoon salt. Precisely in. I'm using a whisk to mix all the dry ingredients together. Bonus vocabulary word. And when it looks like that, that's perfect. Now we will be adding our wet ingredients. There's 2 dry ingredients, which I don't know why. First, we add 1/2 cup milk. We will be reducing our apple cider to 1/2 cups to 1/2 cups. Now we will be adding our 1/2 cup apple cider to our bowl. 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna cut it. Kids, count to 2. 1, 2, and then when you get to 2, you're gonna cut like that. Peel the wrapping off it. Make sure you get all the wrapping off it because you don't want wrapping on your food. Now we're gonna put this in there and we're going to go melt it. If you're not old enough to use this, always have a grown-up of melted butter in. Now we're gonna add our 1/2 cup brown sugar. Now we're gonna add our 1/2 cup sugar. I am using a whisk to mix our ingredients. That looks good. Now we're gonna add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Ooh. This is making me so hungry. Now the batter is perfect. Now we can put it in a bag. I put a bag around this dish, and we're going to pour the mixture in the bag. Now we will be cutting the tip, and we're gonna fill these donut dishes halfway. Don't cut it too big. Now we're going to take the batter, move it to the other side. And fill it halfway. When you're done, you're gonna wanna put your oven to 350 degrees and you're gonna wanna cook it for 10 minutes. This is really, really fun. Now we have all of our donuts in our donut pan. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we're gonna put this in the oven, and I'm gonna have my mom put it in the oven because I don't wanna burn myself. They look fantabulous. When you're done, let them sit for 2 minutes. They're all out. Very good. It'll be even better with the cinnamon and sugar on it. The last and final ingredients is to get the butter, melt it, a whole stick of butter, melt it, put all the donuts in the butter, and then add the donuts into this mixture. I'm on my last donut. And they're all done. Time to eat! Wow, that's really good! Like and subscribe for more King Jimmy baking videos.